last look at the Mustang with the iBox Sportline springs. It's time to go to the floor, baby. Let's get it. Guys, I don't want to yap too long, but these two shirts are now live on the website. The clutch slippin' motor blowing tee and the RIP FA24 shirt. Just in time for, you know, like kind of like the Halloween vibes. This drop is all themed around the 2022 Beersy when we blew the motor about a couple months ago. So yeah, these two shirts are now live on the Border Supply website. Link will be down in the description below. Now live, link below. I love you guys so much. I appreciate all the support in advance. And yeah, we got some new wheels to throw on the Mustang, and let's just get right into it. We're picking up where we left off in the previous video. As you guys saw in the previews, we just bagged my 2022 Mustang. And check it out, it's right here, all aired out, looking freaking amazing. Seriously cannot get over it, man. This car is such a vibe now that the air suspension is on. Can't you tell, guys, I love air suspension? Nah, but seriously, super hyped, man, to have the Mustang on air. Just a little quick rundown. Here's what the fronts look like. Dude, the lip is literally like pretty much touching the floor. It's so low. And then moving on to the rear. This is what we're looking like. Damn, what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment section below what you think of the Mustang. Also in the previous video, if you stayed long enough, I revealed the wheels that we're gonna be slapping on the Mustang. And they're actually right here. So as you can see by the title and the thumbnail of today's video, we're gonna be slapping on the triple chrome TE37s. Check this out, we just got them back from Bulletproof Coating, so they're literally like brand freaking new triple chrome. Also off camera, I threw on some tires. I'll put the specs right here on the screen because I low-key forgot the offset. Running a 245 35 19, so these are 19s. So the fronts have a little bit of stretch, and then for the rears, 10.5. Again, I'll put the specs right here, I forgot the offsets. And we're running a 255 35 19. Kind of same as the front, kind of baby stretch. And these are some Firehawk Indy 500s. So a super grippy tire. Cost me an arm and a leg. It's like $1,000 for the whole set. But we had to take care of the Mustang with some good brand new tires. So I've yet to see a Mustang on triple chrome TE37s, let alone TE37s. There's not, I think there's a few Mustangs I saw with TE37s. So while I got these wheels triple chrome, I actually had to have the guy bore out the hub bore and the lug nut holes. Guys, the stud is super thick on the Mustangs. I think it's an M14 by 1.5. So these wheels right here were definitely not made for the Mustang. So like I said, we had to get them bored out, the center bore and the lug nut holes, so the studs will fit easily in these holes right here. So a lot of work to get these wheels to be able to go on the Mustang, but lucky enough for you guys, you will be able to see it in this video right here. We're gonna be throwing the TE37s on the Mustang, man. I've been waiting years to do this, guys. Before I even got the Mustang, I told myself when I get that car, I have to throw it on air and I have to get some TE37s. I'm hyped, man. That's enough yapping, bro. Guys, it's time. Let's officially test fit the TEs on the Mustang. This is also a perfect opportunity to throw on my brand new lug nuts. I complained a few times in my other videos of the stock lug nuts on the Mustang. I don't even know if I kept them. I might have thrown them away. Oh, I found them. Here they are. Terrible, but here they are. They're these massive, like, I believe aluminum lug nuts. And I heard from one of you guys in the comment section saying these actually expand. When you put a socket over it and you like loosen it or tighten it, they tend to get stuck in the socket. It's literally so annoying. So we're ditching these. I don't even know why I still have the freaking box. I'm just doing myself a favor and throw them away. But we got these monster lug nuts, literally. Got these off of Amazon. I'll put the link down in the description below. But these are like some steel lug nuts. These remind me a lot of the Muteki lug nuts, the SR48s that I run on all the other cars. They're steel, so they don't strip. And yeah, these are much better than the stock ones. So we're gonna throw these on with the new wheels. Let's go. I'm excited. Alright, fingers crossed. I'm so freaking nervous, yet so excited. I can cry. My goodness. Alright, so I still have a 25mm spacer on right now from the stock wheels. And yeah, the poke is insane. I doubt it's gonna work, but we have to test it first. But yeah, worst case, we'll just take that spacer off. But let's go see what the fronts look like. Bruh. Rip. Yeah, I already know for a fact the wheels on the rear, or the spacer on the rear, that's not gonna work. No matter how much it caves in when I air out, it's still not gonna clear. I already know. So yeah, I'm just gonna save myself some time and just take that spacer off right now before we move forward. Now with the power of editing, we took off the 25mm spacer, and sadly, as I can already tell, once we air this thing out, it's gonna sink in so much. And unfortunately, I don't have any other smaller spacers, so we might have to settle with this sunken in look until I order some new ones. Sadly, I was hoping I can perfect the fitment today, but it's on the car, and let's air it out. Let's see what it looks like with the TEs. Gosh, bro. Do you guys see the vision now? Do you guys know what I mean with triple chrome TEs on the Mustang? Gosh, bro. It's nasty. Quality, bro. I wish I could perfect the fitment. Like I said, I need a spacer. I need a big spacer. I could definitely make the fitment better in the rear. The fronts, I could use a small spacer, probably like a 10 mil, a 5 or 10 mil in the front. And then the rear, probably the same, honestly, like a 10 mil. I don't know, we'll see, but rough draft of the triple chrome TEs on the Mustang, bro. Dude, the fronts are fire. Fronts are like fender to lip, but the backs are a little bit raised. I heard, I don't know if it's true or not, but I heard you can't go fender to lip in the rear without like a lot of camber due to like the suspension geometry. I'm not sure if that's true or not. Correct me in the comments if you guys know about it, but yeah, that's why there's like a little gap right here. It's not fender to lip fully, but once we throw the spacers on, I feel like it'll make it look so much better. Oh my gosh, I could cry right now. You guys don't know how long I've been waiting to do this to a Mustang, bro. Seriously, man. Oh my gosh, dude, the transformation is crazy compared to the stock side. Definitely aggressive, you know, sleek and aggressive, but go to this side, hot, bro. And I tried to do the little details too. Like we got the clear side markers, we got the clear tails. Bro, everything just freaking flows. That's it, bro. Literally, I am so freaking happy with the setup. You guys don't even know. Aside from the spacer issue, you know, we'll fix that, it's temporary, but before I even started recording this clip, I was just literally standing here for like 5 minutes in complete awe. I can't, bro. This is amazing, man. Wow. Alright guys, taking a quick little break. Just uploading the bag install on the channel. Alright, we click public and publish. Bag install is now live. Yeah, you guys are probably wondering why this screen looks completely jacked. This is literally the same laptop I started the YouTube channel with. It's like a super old MacBook. I think I got this back in like 2016, I want to say. This thing has been rocking with me ever since, so I've just been, you know, just keeping at it. Alright guys, some time has passed. We made it to my boy Rudy's shop over at RTA. I always take the cars here to get an alignment. and that's exactly what we're gonna do in today. We're gonna get the Mustang aligned since we just threw on the bags in the last video and the new wheels. Perfect alignment is crucial with like tire life, so I definitely don't want to mess these tires up due to a bad alignment because I've spent so freaking much on these tires. But yeah, dude, check the ride height, bro. Dude, it looks so good. The ride height is fire. Bro, the car sits so much lower since these are a 35 sidewall, so the car just overall sits much lower. And then I believe the stock tires were 40 sidewall. Look, that thing literally just scrapes. That little piece on the bumper literally non-stop scrapes when I'm driving. Check this out though, they got a C6 that just got off the alignment rack. This thing sounds good. I want a Corvette, man. I still want a Corvette. I don't know if I want a C5 or a C6. Yes, sir. Just throwing the T's. Yeah, I bagged it yesterday too, so it's like all fresh. Yeah, that's my guy Rudy right here. If you guys need an alignment, San Diego. Yeah, a ton of you guys always come through here. I'm sure he very much appreciates it. But yeah, we're about to get the Mustang aligned. There's actually one little surprise when we get back to the shop for the rear end. I'll show you guys later, but it's a small little detail that'll make such a big difference. Everybody, say hi to Glizzy. That's literally what he named his dog. Kind of barks at you at first, but once you pet him, he'll open up to you. Yeah, he's just chilling, keeping me company. I used to come here before you were even born. But yeah, the new addition to the shop. Alright, just like that, guys, we're done. It was pretty fast because obviously this car is like complete stock arms. I don't have like aftermarket anything under besides the bags. So it's a real quick toe adjustment. And yeah, she's straight now. Back from the alignment, we're back at the shop now. Like I said, one more surprise for the Mustang tonight. It's only right since we put the chrome wheels on the car. Now, funny enough, these actually came in yesterday. I was not planning, honestly, on this arriving at the same time the wheels would. Check these out, guys. We got a massive box, new license plate frames, some Border Supply license plate frames. Now these are not on the site. I'm not sure when I'm gonna drop these. I might drop these maybe a little bit later. So these are not on the site yet, but check this out. We have some chrome license plate frames with the black text and then black license plate frames with the chrome text. Just in time for the new wheels. Dude, this is awesome. I'm gonna throw each of them on the Mustang, see which one I kind of prefer. But right now we're running the OG Border Supply license plate frame. These are literally the first plate frames I've ever done. Crazy, but yeah, out with the old and in with the new. Damn, what do you guys think? Chrome one is on. Dude, that is so sick. You can literally see you guys right there. What do you guys think? Does the chrome go? Obviously it's nighttime, so you can't really see the full effect. I'm sure in the day it's gonna be like super shiny, but I don't know. I think the chrome is the move for this car. But now let's go and try the black one. Now the black one. Dude, they're both really, really nice. I don't know, it's a hard choice. I love how on this one, the BRGS just like shines. Like you can definitely see that. Yeah, I just want to show you guys, you know, the two license plate frames. Like I said, I don't know when I'm gonna throw these on the site, but when I do, I'll keep you guys for sure updated in a video. Yeah, that was a super random segment of the vlog, but I was very excited when these came in yesterday. All right, that was a super fun video to make. Actually editing on one of my lunch breaks. Yeah, this video is so fun to make, man. It was so awesome seeing kind of like my vision for the car just kind of like come true in person, like right in front of me, you know what I mean? It was, I don't know, it was amazing. I feel like everything happened so fast. Like we bagged it and then the next day we throw on these TE37s. The car needs a little bit of tweaking, you know, with the fitment, but overall I'm so happy with the setup. So yeah, next I'm definitely gonna order some spacers for the rear, and also I think I'm gonna get my fenders rolled on the front so we can make that fitment a little bit tighter. So also, one thing before I close out today's video, yesterday I received some kind of last minute great news. If all goes well, I think we're going to SEMA again, guys. The third year in a row, but this time with the Mustang. One of the companies that have been rocking with me with the Mustang hit me up and was like, yo, we got a spot for you at SEMA if you want to come through. So it's so cool, man. You know, we might be hitting up SEMA with the Mustang this year. But yeah, I just want to close out this video, guys. Happy Friday if you guys are watching this the same day I post it. Hope you all have an amazing weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And honestly, like these past couple videos, you know, just completely transforming the Mustang. I hope you guys enjoyed all the changes and mini transformation we did for the Mustang. Before you leave, also remember the link is down in the description below if you guys want to cop some of the new merch we just dropped today. And yeah, with all that being said, I love you guys so freaking much as always. I hope you all have a good one today. Make it a good one, and I'll catch y'all later. Peace.